Thobela ke madume. Thobela re fitlhile go Western Cape rona ba bangwe re nna gona mo working on behalf of the podcast ke reporter from Cape Town. Weather is beautiful, our people are on the way, we can't wait. This is one of the places e batla be ba di tsamaya e renke tshene le di bone la e bona kere. It's one of the good places batla be ba di tsamaya ba bona di sea lion live. Our boys, we're ready for them. They will be touring this place. They will be driving on top of those mountains. So we love support, we love support, we love support, we love support. Let's work with them. We can't leave our boss just like that. We love our boss. Go tlabe ba dinamela gore go tlabe go le busy, go tlabe go le busy a e taba o dlala o tlabe go le busy, go tlabe go le busy a e taba o dlala. Our boys bona black is very expensive. Cape Town go tlafa, but bona they just make a decision or we going there, and then ba tla ba bona this with their passion cycling. Banna besho lebo sister, let's support our boys. If you noticed, ever since they started cycling, following them, more South Africa are also reporting any cash in transit, are also reporting what me for depression and stuff. We are just happy. We are happy because our boys are keeping us very busy, and more Cape Town we already secured for them a giant wheel. Later for this place Barinke waterfront will be live mole lebona the wheel. They also got another 10 tickets for what you call for aquarium. So batho, let's support our people. We love support. Anything on a 10 rands the complaint is our carry this tloelang batho bao. At the end of the day bafana ba bakopantshitse country ebile country is no longer South Africa, and our country azange ya ba le lebitso. Our country ne le South Africa no ke Gauta BMX la e bona marataba. We love support bafethu. These boys batlo judge joy, not forgetting go bontsha hore their car e teng gona mo e ba emetse batla be ba di bona live la e bona ke bona ba tlabe ba phela le tsona bafana baka, ba tlabe ba phela le tsona life. Bona ba tlo bona le mogalabi o na ntsa dintsha ko metsing a sena mathata. Ho monate banna, ho monate ke mokete. Ha ona le tšhelete namela o tle Cape Town. As we speak, I think now they are about 300 and something kilometers away from Cape Town. Re tlabe re ba amogela. We're waiting. Ibile some of us re fela pelo, some of us e ka re bile ne ke ba haka no wa itsekeng ba fethu ne. And then I would like to thank this podcast Humpa Access who gets today what you call reporting this site. Weather is just perfect, and then our boys will be experiencing this sea lion. Azange wa ibona wena ka matlo e tswa go mesing, azange ha e sale ba wena, azange wa ibona ibile bona e iketlile sea lion ha ina mathata. La ibona o ile wa ibona ba tla be ba phela ka go re kopa tshwarelo wa back online. Bona ba tla be ba di bona live la ibona ke sea lion. Ausi I get how much you want, mara ke na yona tse phone ya ka onke le sea lion ba e bone. You don't want to take a picture with him? No, I don't want a picture, just I want to stand there. You want to stand next to him? Yeah, this side, actually this side, so that it can be clear. Yeah. You want to take a selfie? You can take a selfie. My brother, can you hold it for me? I'm live, ne? Guys, we want to cycling boys. But everybody wanna live, everybody tshwara. Lona la di tshaba, so we are ready for the boys when they arrive in Cape Town. This is what they will be dealing with. When only negative, you're not gonna make it. The boys will be happy here. Thanks, brother. Laibon, I wanna Cape Town or Raberekisana. Our boys will be very busy. Laibon, we love support. We love support. We love support. We love support. Haril Bola Lahore, these boys, Bakopan a country. Some of us will take the leave for the boys. So let's support the boys. Let's build this thing. But la tsamaya kwa la bona thaba ele e bitswa ka anekeng Chamsman's Peak. Most batho ba cycle, they cycle up there. I don't know hore Langa will grant them an opportunity to go and cycle there, but it requires a permit. I will deal with it or get a copa balanga, bartuse gayona, lebo lare, and then re resorted. Highly decapitated on us, somebody na mele bashiman barona, banabeshu. Whatever you have, send the boys. Born again, a better future. Once you send this thing now, you invest in this thing now, you preparing a CEO Yakaosani, your child might be hired in that company. This thing is employment for these kids. Let's support them, and then not only them, but South Africa. Let's work together. Wabona aona nto e phalang lerato ke ntho e kgolo. Ha o sena lerato, ha o thuse ka nix. Love is beautiful, and then ha o sena lerato o tshwana le teen fela ya no etsa mashata fela ho sena movement. So let's work bafethu and make sure hore bana ba sorted. These are our brothers, get everything to us, and then what they are preparing, you'll find out or your daughter, your son, your uncle, or your whoever will be hired on the company. Pegasfort or Limpopo, Naganjani, it'll plant the bicycle. I mean, like, this is history making. The bicycle, it's up to us. We can package them. They were on a big class, radio auction. Bafana ba prosper. What are we waiting for? Whatever you have, whatever idea, whoever you can bring. You lose nothing by giving back to others. Your data share. They have tickets, the aquarium, they have everything. Let's work together and build Mzansi. Without these boys, this week, for you will get depression. We just happy. But lady Sea Lion, Sea Lion is very happy. Sea Lion, yeah, Mazubashiman, one affair. The Sea Lion, the 2 meses. The 2 meses, the Sea Lion, they met our boys. Our faith. One fella, the sequel. Very game, Banam. Wanage mupedi ntate monna ayibe mupedi ayibereke nake mupedi mina ngumzulu mfowethu and mangu isiZulu sami sengiqala ukusikhuluma ethi ngiyazi kule podcast lena ngola abantu abakhuluma isipedi mina ngumzulu mfowethu ngiyithandele ngiyinhlanga zonke ngiyakhuluma isipedi nasitsonga aneko shweshwe ihlangenene imaka yabantu bakuma Limpopo nasitsonga itashiba isibalabula wena tshika maka le ya wena ya kuri lo yimpedi lo yumzulu ayitirle and le I South Africa. Igauta BMX. Why twisisa makale? Check the comment letter when it's negative, man. Let's work bafethu. Nagemo Cape Town now. And then right now I'm reporting from Hout Bay. Hout Bay. It's one of the places these boys will be visiting as soon as everything settled, because I promised them to drive around, so they will be very busy, very busy. So let's support the boys and make sure when they live here, they live like heroes, and then when they go back to Johannesburg, you guys must wait for them. Go over Tambo. We welcome them and drive with them straight to Beresford or wherever they are going. I hope Modimo Tlompha Matla ka ba part. Bafethu, let me tell you something, man. If you don't support today, you might be closing doors for your kid. Bona lisila yona yadumela, bona fela. Look at this. If you don't support them today, you might be closing doors for your kids in the future. Bona Silayon is very happy. Bona yetsang it densa mo denso ele ya Gauta. That small one shorty ele is very, very busy, man. Bona bafethu, I love you all. I hope kaofela re thabile with the same energy the boys have, and then let's pray for the boys. Let's motivate one another. Obolelang into negative remze re meela side. Arena nako ya negativity mo arena nako ya di allegations tsa botlaela re nyaka le thabo fela. The whole country must be happy. These boys ke ba tlhanka ba rona ba botshepehi, the angel. Actually we should call them the three angels. La nkutlwa mara a re berekeng banna besho. Ke a le rata ka mmele pelo le moya ndoni fune sangamanda ni ranza hinkwasho namranza ngiyanthanda ngesizulu ngiyathandwa ndim ke ngesixhosa bona ke a le rati the same way these boys baratang support ka teng. Let's build one another and forget about negativity and build the boys. By doing so, you will be preparing the future legends. Once you start participating, it's not about money. You send email to a company will respond. You know, this is about life. Baba ngore experience the skills look at me now reporting, and it's not my thing. It's not my thing to report on a social media, but I'm forced to do it for the sake of our boys, and not only our boys but and our children in the future. But this is not about you, me, it's about the whole country. Let's build the boys and support them. Whatever you have, 10 rand, send, 50 rand, send. It makes difference to our boys. And then who wants a hurry, Lerona, we are in this thing yabanaba. After everything, we let the boys run with their plan. Then the whole country tabil. What about thing but about overseer so that the boys laitsimos bana successful ba sokodisa byang. But what about ba overseer? Don't judge those people, don't fight them, support them so that this thing ebe matle. Wabanana. These boys, they remind me my life. When I come here in Cape Town, I just came, fella. But here I am today. Ke survivor. Ibile mudimur file matla re khono supporta di ideas tsa bana. Ibile e reng go le montshang koloi ya bafana ba rona ba tlabang e ba tlisa mo. Then they were offline and moved to another place. This is the place where they will be eating a fresh fish from the sea. Tuna fish. And then oh yeah, this is their car. Oh, Bafanas, what are the I get all our Benz only. What about life? Bona, Utlabaitana life, Bafana Barona will be very busy. This is their car, and allow me to move to another part, so that you guys can decide, let's fly a little in Cape Town and support our brothers. Ke le rata rati kamuka. Ke le rata kamuka. Ke le rata rati. And batho ba ratang too much ke bafana ba, because re kopane ka bona. Re kopane ka lerato la bana ba. If it wasn't those boys, ngabe le sa bona sefatlhonyana sa Mogalabe o eleng nna. Re kopane ka lerato. Re ratane. Re be le khotso. le boikokobetso re tloela mona. Gauta BMX, you are the future. Re a leboga. I'm moving to another place. We are ready. And then later today, I'm picking up Matanja. Oh yeah, Olewa, the one over feeling ambulance and the car, Bloemfontein or whatsoever. Kimolata Airport, or Tlang Mo, Cape Town. She can contact me 08069 396 7220. Rolata Airport at no cost, for the sake of Bafanaba, only for this way. How the Polaris luxury to charge. So today ke lata batho ba o lenta telari bona rodima le bona a re berekeng lerato ke matla kopano ke matla boikokobetso ke ntwe kgolo o tloge dipolelong tse negative di tlo destroya bophelo ba hao bana ba itume